I'm always in need of more storage, which is why I'm so excited. I found this over-the-door storage that I can keep right here in my bathroom and keep it accessible. The kit comes with 2 baskets. These are a great size. It comes with 4 of these no trace adhesive hooks. It also comes with the actual rod to hang everything on. This expands to be long. It comes with 4 sets of these hooks. This is the part that goes over the door. As you can see, there is adhesive strips, so you can take off the backing here and adhere it to your door. I'm gonna start by putting this hook over my door, like so. Now we'll extend this out. And as you can see, there are holes all along it, so you can customize where your baskets or your hooks sit. You take some adhesive strips with the hooks and you put them where these joints meet. Just like so. And now you can customize it however you want. I'm going to start with the baskets. Now my hooks are going to go more towards the bottom. And now I have it all set up. Let's go ahead and fill it up with things. I'm going to start by putting a few of my shoulder bags up in the top. These are less used items, but I still would like them to be organized. Then my everyday purse, I'll just put here so I can grab it easily. I'm going to add my belts here so I can grab them easily as well. And then I've been needing a place for my scarves, and I love that I can either hang them or fold them up and put them here in the basket as well. This is going to help me stay so organized. I love that I could move the baskets to the bottom and have the hooks on the top. It's really just so customizable, and it looks so much nicer than having all of my stuff cluttered around my bathroom and my closet. I'm really excited about this. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add a hat of my husband's, and then I even put a few products here. This is holding so many things. I have so much more of an organized space. I love it so much, and the best part is when I open and close the door, it doesn't move, it doesn't make noise. It is so incredibly quiet, so convenient. There's no drilling, no anything like that. It's all renter friendly. It will not damage your door whatsoever. It is a 10 out of 10. Everyone needs this.